Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 6 physical science and the chapter that I will continue today is the static and dynamic of fluid, liquid and gas. This video is for part 5. In the previous video I started according to this discussion of the effects of pressure. And I told you about different things like the pressure at a point inside the liquid increases with the depth. It is more than the surface, and pressure as the same point of the horizontal plane is a given depth between the liquid, and a liquid flows from the higher pressure to the lower pressure, and also liquid seeks its own level. So these 4 points I already told you, and now I will discuss these points with some examples. Okay, so first the pressure increases with the depth of a liquid from the free surface. So let us prove that first. Okay, so we took one bottle, and like one previous example I told you. Here we know the pressure is exerted in everywhere, and now we make some holes on it. Okay, like 3 holes shall be made in the bottle, one above another, from top to bottom in a line. Okay, like we can make one hole here, one here, and one here. So we can see that the flow of the water from the bottommost hole travels the furthest, because the pressure exerted at this point is the highest seen in the upper one. Like these will flow like that, and it will like that. Okay, we will find. And it is the result by which we can tell that we can assess that the depth of the liquid from the free surface is increasing. So here earlier we also show that if some water is poured into a glass rod or a glass tube, we can see, and we holding a middle of this upright condition, and some rubber band it's highly tight rubber band is placing on it, and it can give the pressure. Okay, so here we can see the direct relationship between the amount bulge and the pressure exerted by the water by the higher in the column. How that we can, if we took 2 like glass tubes and we place one rubber on it, then we give some water, we pour some water on it, we will see that it will bulge a little. And if we give more water on it, then we can find it will bulge more. The rubber band is here, it will bulge more and it will bulge less. In this we can find out that the water which gives more pressure than the lower depth to the higher. Okay, so the next, the fluid flows from the place of higher pressure than the lower pressure. So higher pressure to the lower pressure. Here we can give you some example, like in this fact it made use to supplying water to the different parts of the city. Drinking water is raised with pump to the main reservoir placed at such a great height with that. And the tanks etc. in the domestic and the public uses at different parts of the city are much below it, and from this reservoir the main pipe goes through the city and the smaller pipe branches off from the main pipe and are led to the different houses of the city. Since liquid flows from the higher level to the lower level, when water from the reservoir is allowed to flow through the pipes, water could easily reach every house in the city. Due to the same reason, the pressure of the water at the tap on the first or the second floor of the house is lesser than the pressure in the ground floor. So here, if the tank the main reservoir tank is much higher and the pump is lower, and then the every houses of it is much lower than in height, because it is the main reservoir of the water. By it is going by this pipe connection, but the water supply force of the water is better in the ground floor than the upper floor, because you know the pressure of the water is on the depth. Okay, on the lower it is the pressure is more than the higher place. Okay, so now on second law, what was the second law? That the pressure in same at all points in a horizontal plane at a given depth within in a liquid. This point can be demonstrated by the experiment of it also. Like if we took three holes, or if we make three holes on it, the water will exert it by the same pressure, because they are in the horizontal line. Okay, and also the next point, that is to prove the liquid seeks its own level, we can take like various peculiar shaped bottles or jars. You can see here, these all kinds of bottles we can take all together, and if we pour some water on it, we will find that the water will seek at the same level. In every container, the water will take the same level. The sizes or the shapes of the container does not matters. Okay. The number of tubes of the different shapes and sizes connected together to a bottom. This vessel is known as the communicating vessel. See, a number of tubes of the vessels are communicating with one another. If the water is poured in one tube, then the water flows into each tube till the water level in all the tubes become equal. The water will flow like till then the water level will go equal. Okay. The surface of the water of the every tube is found to be horizontal. In this way, we can just conclude that the liquid seeks its own level. Okay. So, in the next video, we will discuss about the effects of the atmospheric pressure and then the concept of the Bernoulli's pressure. Okay. So then, thank you.